Hello there, Russ for ProSteam. Today we're working in a sports pavilion, cleaning the carpet. The carpet is a low profile, commercial grade glue down carpet. It's been down a fair amount of years, and to my knowledge, I don't think it's ever been professionally cleaned. So we've got our work cut out today. There's a bar there, and where there's a bar, there's going to be drink spillages. Okay, now the cricket pitch is just out there. So you're going to find over the years people have walked in straight off the grass, straight in onto the carpet, tracked in a load of soil, and the carpet is absolutely packed with dirt. So we're using a machine, first of all, to open up the pile and to pull up as much of the dry soil as possible. Then we use a vacuum cleaner, and then we're using hot water extraction, otherwise known as steam cleaning, to then rinse all that dirt out. We treat carpets very much like washing your hair. You have to rinse whatever's in your hair out in order to clean it. You don't just rub it with a towel. And as you can see in this area here, there's lots of drink spillages. So the carpet's in a bit of a sorry mess. Anyway, I'm going to give you a little comparison now between how the carpet looks, or how it looked before, and what kind of results we can achieve. Let's walk forward to here. So we've just cleaned this area here. Okay, and that shows quite a difference. We're going to do like a 50-50 comparison thing here. So, yeah, it's like a brand new carpet this side now. Okay, so we're going to carry on, and but in order to keep the carpet looking nice, it has to be maintained. It's no good leaving it 5 to 10 years before you get the carpets cleaned, because what happens is that tracked in soil is abrasive, and as people walk across the carpet, it wears the carpet down, and before you know it, you're going to be replacing the carpet. So it's always best to get some kind of maintenance cleaning package arranged, because it's going to prolong the life of the carpet. It's going to save you money in the long run, and it's going to keep the carpet looking good. Okay, so this is a deep clean. At some point, I will be coming back possibly to do a maintenance clean, which is what we call a low moisture clean, where we encapsulate the carpet using a shampoo. Okay, and it just keeps it looking like this. Okay. But anyway, we're gonna carry on. I'll take a little bit more video at the end so you can see how the entire carpet looks once we've finished. Right, we come to the end of this job now. We started this at 9:30 this morning, and it's now 10 to 6. And I've spent a long time on this today. Hot water extraction, followed by encapsulation cleaning, to further improve the appearance of the carpet, plus the fact that once the carpet completely dries, any remaining soils will be crystallised, and then when the next scheduled vacuum happens, those soils will be vacuumed. So remember, this area here had lots and lots of spots and spillages, and we put the furniture back, and there was some damage down here we can't do anything about, unfortunately. Tables and chairs been put back, and there you go. We cleaned some vinyl as well. We cleaned all the vinyl before we did the carpets, but it has taken a long time to do, because there was so much liquid that had been spilt in this carpet. I mean, must have been pints and pints of beer, and so all that liquid that was just like sat in the carpet and had dried, all that has got to be removed. Okay, you cannot shampoo over the top of that. It all has to be extracted. And so there you have it, folks. If you have a youth club, a church, a school, or a pavilion, and the floors are looking a little worse for wear, give us a shout. We might just be able to be a better option than replacing your carpets. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.